Get in there. Are you gonna sit down and watch TV in there? Okay. That sure is a nice box. No. You even have a door.
Do you want to go to bed? Do you want to go to bed? You want to go to sleep?
Hello, pig. Hello, Arnold.
Yeah. Do you love Cherokee?
Where's Cherokee?
Show us where Cherokee is.
Can you give Cherokee a kiss? Give Cherokee a kiss.
Kiss Cherokee. You gotta kiss him. Give him a kiss.
That was a kiss.
Just like talking like a bird.